Bay of Fundy, New Brunswick. A whale rises to the ocean surface.
We know that right whales like to snack on an organism called a copepod. But copepods are too tiny to see with the naked eye. So I'm bringing the samples we collected in the Bay of Fundy to the microscope lab at Dalhousie University in Halifax.
The tall buildings of a coastal city. Kira Willis, microbial ecologist.
So I've got your sample from Grandma Nan if you'd like to prepare a slide of it for the microscope.
Okay, so how much should I?
Just like a drop. If you fill up the eyedropper all the way, that should be good.
Anisha places a glass slide under a microscope.
Do I just put it on top?
Yep, awesome.
She peers through the eyepiece.
Oh, wow. We quickly spot the first link in the bay's food chain, phytoplankton. Phytoplankton is the photosynthetic organism that makes up the foundation of the ocean's food web.
So here you can see these long skinny ones are a type of dinoflagellate, and then here along the bottom, the little skinny green one, is a diatom chain. So diatoms are a really important source of food for higher trophic levels, like the zooplankton.
So why are there so many different shapes?
Being in the chain or being spiky can help protect them from being eaten by predators. It would all be part of an evolutionary adaptation to their environment.
The creatures that eat the phytoplankton are called zooplankton, but they can sometimes be hard to spot.
It's hard because the zooplankton are at such a lower abundance. And as you move up the food chain, organisms are present in less numbers. Basically, you only transfer about 10% of energy from one trophic level to the next, which means that as you go up and up, you need to have less and less individuals because otherwise there would not be enough food for them.
That means finding copepods is going to be difficult.
The image of a shrimp-like creature on a computer screen.
Finally, we spot one.
Aha! Copepod.
Transparent antenna.
All right, so we managed to find a copepod. So you can see here's the tail. And then as we move along the body, there are the legs. Let's see if I can get a sharper focus. Yeah.
Oh, wow. It's like clear.
Yeah, so I think when it's clear that maybe it's just an exoskeleton that was shed because like you know how a crab will molt its shell? These are crustaceans as well as the crabs, so they'll do the same thing. They'll cast off their old shell as they grow.
So the copepods would eat the phytoplankton?
Yeah, and that help move that energy up the food chain, all the way to bigger things like fish or sharks or whales and so on, and things that we eat too.
Yeah. It's hard to believe that you have to look through a microscope to see whale food. But these tiny organisms are key to the survival of those marine giants, and to the entire ocean ecosystem as well.